Straight Yard TV, got everything you need. Got the merch, the tours, the stories, even those recipes. When you check me on the TV and you like what you see, make sure to hit subscribe so the whole world can see. Straight Yard, Straight Yard, Straight Yard TV. Eh? Straight Yard, Straight Yard, Straight Yard TV.
Okay, my people, welcome back to Straight Yard family. I know it's a long time you guys don't see me, but you know I'm a little bit busy. But we're still gonna get the channel moving. So we have some, today we're gonna cook some conch. They're already clean, washed, just let to beat up now and cut up. We have some shrimp here, it's already seasoned. We have some sliced snapper. We're gonna fry that and touch him down. We have the major bad boy here. This we call the sea cat. See me? Big old sea cat. In America they call it octopus. But you know we are Jamaican, we find a different name, we call it sea cat. So we're going to scald this off. I'm going to beat him up and scald him off. And then cut him up, season him up, and then get ready to cook some food. We're going to cook a seafood pot today, guys. Everything gonna be in one. The sea puss, or the octopus, whatever you call it, the conch and the shrimp, we went in one pot, guys. It's a one thing. Curry pot we are doing with today. Today are rice and peas there, but we don't cook no rice and peas, we'll cook some quinoa. And some vegetable, fry some fish, touch them down. So guys, stay tuned. We're going to scald this thing off and we'll be right back with you. We have to work with that one too. Garlic, pimento and ginger. Can't wrong with it. We have to pimento here later and we touch the like that in a hit. So we have to drop some earth seasoning on this now. So garlic, scallion. All of these are already washed and prepped. Just need to cut up. Okay? Piece of thyme. Onion. So we are seasoning things, John. If you don't know how to use a knife like me, use a cutting board, please. Alright, we use 2 onions. We use white, or we call it yellow, whatever you want to call it, and then mauve onion, or purple, whatever you want to call it. Drop it of pepper in him, you know it go already, we have a scotch bonnet. well scald off and good to go. Cut him up now and season him up. Okay. That's it. Yes, my people. My people, so we're gonna cut this thing up now. And I'm going to season up in another pot here. Clean already. So. Soft, and I feel like we can eat already. For the guys who don't have a lady, don't eat this kind of food, okay? I don't want to go and go rip our people, girl people. Nice. Nice, man. Yeah, he dirty boy. Tough. Little cayenne pepper, little garlic powder, little pimento and ginger, little Maggi, little easy spice. Little and curry, and the curry are the real curry, straight from Jamaica. Can't find nothing better it. Okay. Alright, so let's see them up here. So I look like already. Alright, so just the earth season on him now, because scallion. onion. Add the onion. And so the onion is the best onion to eat, so them say. Little thyme. Piece of my scotch on it. Kick him up. Give me a itch. Alright, then a couple pieces of natural garlic. Tenderize, you make him cook fast. Eat that more than that. Not add no hyper foolishness to it. I'm going to pour some mud. Alright, so everything seasoned up. Let them soak a little bit. And we'll get right back to when we have up on fire, people. Straight yard thing. Can't find it nowhere else. See? Okay, my people, so we'll start cook now. Everything seasoned up and soak. Ready for work. We don't want no heap of oil in our pot. Just a little bit. We'll drop some curry in the oil, make it go and burn. Because we have cook curry, straight curry we have cook. Curry shrimp, curry sea cat, curry conch. All in one. Not a lot of curry. Everything seasoned, just a little bit to burn. Some people have put on one for a curry pot. You don't know where they get that from. So, how this straight yard work right now, we have to drop one cup of garlic in it. Make him go and burn. And we have to drop a piece of ginger in it. You see me? Let me go on. Do everything. Some flavor. So them thing I want to do step by step with people. Segment by segment. Alright, see I get black now? Yeah. I'll get black curry bun clean, so what we have to do now, we have to add the conch first. The conch take longer to cook. So then see step by step. You can't put everything in the pot one time. The same thing last again because it's easier to put all around your cook right now. Yeah. That me at that. Lock him up. The fire do the work. Take him off a high. Turn for a medium. Can go and build up. One building one water and everything. Okay, so we'll cook some quinoa in the pot here, people. So we have a quinoa here. We have multigrain. Everything with, and we have the black one, right? Straight organic them, so we'll cook some quinoa. So what we are going to do is drop a piece of garlic in him and piece of scallion. Like we cook rice and peas. Get some time out the door and come back to the farm. Alright, straight from the straight yard farm with a back door. This a time in him. Add a little bit of salt. And that's it where I use for quinoa. If If we have time, we can drop some coconut milk in the microwave right now. Same thing, but we don't have no time for that now. Alright, so just a little bit of salt to kill the germs out of the water. We're not cooking a lot of salt around here. Drop the pimento green lime. You see it's nice, all spicy enough. Yeah, that's how we have to make quinoa, people. Okay? Generally, when I cook quinoa, I put anything more but like tomato, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, seasoning up, everything. But now we have put a straight pot we are cook today. I want to tie straight here, see? Come start boiling on water and start take time touch down. That me I talk about. Okay, people? See? Look pretty. Wow. When this almost cook, then we take time add the sea cat. You're going to half cook. And then by that now everything cook out, then we add the shrimp. Step by step practice, okay? If you don't cook the pot and you add everything in one, some no cook before the other. So make that one doing thing. Make the quinoa go and boil up there. Quinoa go on with something. We'll get some quinoa in my pot now. So get some quinoa in my pot. To tell you, these are the black one. This is the white one. You can buy them at the store already mixed, but when I go today I didn't find no mixed one, so I could mix it the same way, just like I do it. Then call it multi-grain. You even have the red one too. So see, same thing, not no different. See, the job look more nice because it's happy. Couple days straight. Yeah, that's it. Now I'm on that. Alright, so we can put it up there. Then with this. I drop a little bit of olive oil in the water. See. Oh, people cook with butter, but I prefer oil. So it's not really stick on anything. You understand? Just a little bit. Go on with the water and look good. Drop in the quinoa now, people. Okay, so we are go let's see what amount of water in here. Right now take off some of the water. Drop back the parental in the nine thing. Alright, so the quinoa take time go and cook, you know, peeps. Can go and do anything. Conch go and do anything. Alright. Alright people, so here we are going now, see quinoa there. I take time go and doing thing. Conch I take time building water. I know me not add no water to that, you know. Gotta build it own water and take time cook. So I'm ready to add the other ingredients. So my people, remember, like, comment and share Straight Yard TV and subscribe, okay? We're begging you please subscribe and share the video them. Help Straight Yard to reach 1,000 subscribers. Or 2,000 or 10,000 or 1 million. You know, so without a subscriber nothing and go on. So respect and love and manners. Alright the people, so check out the conch part and I want to go on lime. Just add a little water to him. Because the man must cook now. Soon add the sea cat and get things going. Alright. Alright, so over here so shoot my daughter, she don't love curry. Let me make a little garlic butter shrimp here, so this thing will take really long. So give it a little bit more time and ready to go. So I'm going with the quinoa now, people. Okay. Nice and shelly. Yeah. Steam out a little bit more. Can't eat that now. Like you will cook it. So I'm going with it. That nice. Have the crunch and keep everything in one time. Flavor nice too. Can't eat it by yourself just like that. Alright, so this is what I'm going with the shrimp that I know. Yeah, some more. Next 5 minutes to take this off. Ready. Shrimp and take on cooking. Shrimp fast something, quick something to cook. Now people know say it's an overcooked shrimp, tough like a rubber. Alright. Soon take it off. So alright people, don't forget, like, comment and share and subscribe to the thing, okay? And remember, check out the Straight Yard t-shirt them there on the website. Looking at the back here so, it look good. Everybody like it. You can go on the site, description down a link. You can purchase a t-shirt or a hoodie or something like that, you know people. Help Madman to do the thing, no? You know, say a Straight Yard something. And something epic. But we'll go on little by little. Yeah, see it there. Thing look good, I know. That may I say. It's nice enough. It tastes good. This quinoa tastes good, man. Tastes good, man. Imagine if me all drop coconut milk in it. You couldn't miss rice and peas. Trust me. Nice. But alright, this now, just give it like 2 more minutes. Done with that. See conch here? Stir them up as well. Go on with. Yeah, conch look good and test piece of it, people. You see how far in there. If in there England or in there Canada or in there Jamaica, way in there. You see how far in there now. And people, you have to test in a pot when you cook in a pot, you know. Especially when you cook a pot like this. Alright, this one go on with now. Nice. You can eat just like that. When I add the rest of the ingredients come. Like how that cook already. And that nice. That's how I must cook. Need by the time this going now. That's one drink. Alright, so people see the conch already half cooked, okay? Because you know conch can't eat all raw, you know. Can't conch salad and something. But it's almost cooked already, so I'm going to drop in and see if push them now. The octopus or whatever I'm going to call it. See, eh? Drop them in the pot now. See, eh? Story what they know. See now. Drop the water upon him now and up the fire and make him go and cook, people. So nice. I bought some rice and peas this time now. The quinoa we are beat today. Straight quinoa we are beat today. Alright, so I rinse out the pot with a little seasoned water, people. Very important. Season a drop. Flavor and drop. Now I'm going to go up the fire a little bit. Bring him up the fire to the work. I'm telling you, it's a pot that don't really take long to cook if you know how to cook it. One mother. I wish you guys could come and taste this. See it there? Yeah, we don't cook out, you know, do everything, you know. I need to go and check Straight Yard. I need to go link up with Straight Yard. Straight Yard cook some food, go on some really hard food. American food, Chinese food, any food no one Straight Yard cook it. A matter of fact, drop in the description below what you want me cook for you. Anything you want me cook for you, make you cook it. Anything out of the sea, bring it and give me. Make you cook it for you. Anything you can think of on this planet, tell me what you want me cook it for you. Because you know madman not play, you know. Straight Yard up and running. See, you know, can pan the high now, make him go cook. See me? This done. This can't come off. Let me have the shrimp, then that. That I want no more than that, you know, that well nice. That's why I'm dealing with, see? Yeah, garlic butter shrimp, people. Ready and nice. Okay? You need no more cooking. Anything after that is rubber. See them there? True, my daughter don't like too much sweet pepper and all these things, so I do it the simplest and the easiest way and the most tastiest way for her. If I was cooking for myself, I would put sweet pepper. I would have put a lot of more stuff in it. You understand? Because I love those ingredients, but she don't like them. So, she gonna like that one. Alright, the people, so check in later on back when the pot up and ready for running. Because right now, we just add the sea cat. And after the sea cat start doing thing, and pot and most ready to simmer down, we'll drop the shrimp on it. And after we drop the shrimp them in the pot, and the shrimp do like 5-10 minutes, pot ready to eat. Quinoa done cook already, see me? Ready for eat. I have some vegetable cut up over one side there, ready for eat. So, see you guys later. Okay, my people. So now, we're gonna fry some fish, right? And I told you I had some fried fish to fry. What I'm doing is outdoor. So I'm just have the oil in it with some scotch bonnet pepper burning with a piece of garlic to season up the oil a little bit. So let that get red hot. Here's the fish. Season on everything. Ready to fry. Okay, my people? Stay tuned. When we start fry, show you what I'm going. So, oil is red hot. Ready to fry some fish. See me? So we're gonna fry some snapper, some sliced one. Big snapper this thing. Put him in a pot. That's the fire with the work. Spread off like, I didn't want to see if you got the brain. Oh, I'm not going to go and take time to fry and do them thing, you know? Yeah, let them go and burn up my pot too. And some flavor. Pepper go and burn up my too. Nice! Okay. There. Very nice. I wish a guy was here to taste it, man. Alright, see me now. Just add a little Maggi in him, give him a little flavor. Cause I know it's a little bit fresh, but I use salt, you know. So season alone, do my thing. Cook with salt. So now it tastes what I'm going with yourself. This ready now. Mad. This ready to fly and tear up shit. In there. Octopus and the conch ready along with people. So I give him 5 more minutes and without dropping the shrimp them. Give me shrimp about 5-10 minutes. We done cook. Ready for eat. Quinoa wait. So remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, people, and share the video then. Tell a friend, tell a next friend, tell a next friend. Go to Straight Yard TV. We have some good things going out there. And we have some fish and fry out the door. We'll get back to that now. So, when we come back to this spot here, we're going to add the shrimp to it. Now we're going back outside. We're going to fry them fish there. Let's go, people. Yeah. Snap them up. Go on with them. Go on with themselves, man. Let's go on with them. Okay, see? Right. Right. One there. In there. In there. Yeah, fry them with people. Hold them down. Go on with them thin. And then we take them out. It's all about the straight lad, you know. If you don't want to go yard, you can go yard. If you don't want to stay abroad, you can stay abroad. Straight Yard connect right around the world. England, New York, Canada, Brooklyn, Bronx, Staten Island, whole of the world. Germany, France, Sweden, all of the world. Remember, like up the video them people, like up the video them and subscribe to the thing. You know, see how we do it already. We have a lot more coming for you, all the time. We're going to keep the thing booming now. We have some time now to use up the thing, so you know what, go already. Sometimes we're busy doing work and all kind of stuff so we can't get to the thing, but you know it go already. We're back here now. Now full force. We're going to some epic video here now. So here we are going now. Back to the conch and the sea cat, yeah? Them well cooked. I'm ready to eat, you see? I'm soft like a whistle. See conch, man? Soft like a whistle. I'm ready to eat now, people. But nice and sweet. So what me I gonna do? I'll drop them shrimp up on top. And make them go on. You know? Them now take no time to cook. By 5-10 minutes time they're ready. You hear me? So I'm gonna wash out the pot and put ingredients out from the shrimp. I'm gonna drop him upon him too. No one more than that. I already have enough juice in the pot already. See me? So I'll give my stirrer now. I'm gonna chop at the fire high. Because the shrimp are now on 5-10 minutes. Shrimp are cooking. Okay. You want to meet this? You want to taste this? You want to taste this, my people? Just eat with anything, you know. Even by itself. Can't go wrong. See there? 5-10 minutes, then we'll finish. I'll get to you guys back when we're ready to eat. Now we're going back outside to look at the fish. Yeah, people, see there? Golden. Nice. Soon take him over too. As soon as I side I get a little bit more color, I'm sure I'll go on for the next side. See? A little bit white. As soon as I get a little more color, golden brownish, you're ready for him. See there? Give him a little more color on the side. I want him nice and crispy like, you know? See him there? 5 more minutes and half fire, people. Half a fire. You know, we know work already to them there. Well nice. Ready to eat. Cut up like onion and carrot. Some vinegar and little black pepper. Some pimento and some sweet pepper. Blanch them in vinegar and little oil and pepper on it. Ready. Yeah, you eat it like it right now. Without nothing. Alright, ready. See them there? So 5 paper fish. Put a napkin to suck up the oil. I know we don't work with the oil thing too much, you know, but we have to use it. See it there? Ready to go, my people. Nice and pretty. You know? Ready for eat. Straight yard business this. Nice. Them people, well ready. A great piece. A great piece just like that. You could taste a little piece I show no say, I don't know, joke business, see that? Well ready. Nice and white and pretty. Different people. You want to come by me? Come try some of the epic food here. Real authentic yard food. Matter of fact, real wild food. Okay? Well cooked, well fried. Nice and crispy. Crunchy. Inside soft and moist. Full of flavor, people. Full of flavor. Up. Yeah, my people, remember I don't have to eat fish. Remember fish always have bone, so we don't eat fish. Look for the bone. But we don't eat any kind of fish, so Bone no bother with. And try out piece more. See me? Mad. Alright, people, so we finish with the fish fry. We'll go back inside. Now, if it's hot enough, so I know I go. I have to cool with the engine cool at the same time. I talk to him. So, when the fish are now, we'll go back inside now. We'll go check out the shrimp and the conch and the sea cat pot. That done too, you know, people. We're ready to eat that out. So, see you inside. Alright, my beautiful people in Jamaica, England, Canada, America, anywhere in there. I mean everybody. All we are human being. We are all equal. So see here now. Shrimp done cook. See there. Sea cat, octopus done cook. You find people the conch show now I go on with the conch because conch done cook to him. See there? Conch soft. See there? Conch done cook. I think we can find some better piece. See them here? Conch and everything in one. Done cook. The conch there. Done cook. Everything done cook with people. So what me I go there now? We are going to turn off the fire. Because right now, trust me, this can't eat with like 5 pounds of rice. The gravy, mad. The seafood, mad. What we call octopus, mad. The conch, mad. So, all them 3 things there, ready and nice. And the gravy is so rich, people look on it. And the water this here look on it now. Thick something. So, that done. So you're gonna turn off the fire and then look some food to eat. See quinoa, him done cook already, ready to eat too. Okay, my people. So we have some vegetable over there. We are gonna eat some food. So later on, catch me when we start eat. Cause this a party no normal. I mean I tell you guys if you don't have no girlfriend, don't eat the party. Cause I don't want something that you know can't get. Okay, my people, so this is the finishing product of dinner for today. Today's my Sunday, okay? So we're not doing no rice and beans and chicken today. So as I told you earlier on, some quinoa, some shrimp, some conch, and some seafood, and some fried snapper. I didn't bother to excavate snapper because all of this is good already. I could just put some curry gravy on this and this is still good, so I don't really need to cut into all of that. So I have some lettuce here, some blue onions, and some tomatoes. That's my vegetable. Alright. So I could dive in it now, people, tell you how it go. This is really good. You guys need to fly, come and link up with Straight Yard TV. Let me cook some of this food for you guys. Trust me. Really good. Man. And the quinoa here, you don't mix rice and peas. Trust me. It's a secret, huh? So the octopus, you know. Nice and soft. Melt in the mouth. Yeah, people, this is nice. And right here, I had some carrot juice, freshly homemade. But I will show you one day about this one. This one, another video for this one. I already have it, but I'll put it up one different day. This is straight carrot juice, homemade style. But I will show you one day how to make this one, okay? No sweetener, natural. So, yo, nice. Here comes the people. Epic. Here are people. Remember to like, comment, and share and subscribe to the video. Subscribe to the channel now. The channel grow now. Without it, we can't grow. We need no help to get the thing booming. So, dive in that dive fish again. And then we out. Like me tell you, but I make no something for me just put in the same gravy I call it nice like that. See that? Alright people, out, have a good day. Bless yourself. Walk good, talk good, live and learn, love God. Blessings. Straight Yard TV, we out.